Hello student, in today's lecture we are going to study a question tag. Question tag means a phrase that added to the statement is called question tag. A question phrase that added to the statement is called question tag. Okay, it is very common in the conversation. Hmm? It is used special verbs. Here are some verbs that we must understand, such as is, am, are, was, do, does, etc. and did. These are this table contains that verbs which are used in a adding question tag. Okay, question tag means a question mark, but that starts with these verbs. Okay, so we first look at the uh, sentences. There are some sentences. Okay, the first one, that is, he tells he tells the truth. Okay, and after that we can add doesn't he. Okay, when the statement is assertive, when the statement is assertive, assertive then question tag will be in a negative form. Okay, uh, and when the statement is in negative form, that is, he doesn't tell the truth, so the question tag added is assertive. Hmm? The second sentence, he told the truth. Okay, this statement is assertive statement. When we add a question tag to this statement, it forms in a negative. So he told the truth, didn't he? Okay, so we make a question tag in a negative form. If the sentence is in negative forms, that he didn't tell the truth, we add a question tag, did he? Okay, there are some points which we must remember, that when the statement in the first form of verb. Okay, first form of verb means he tells is a first form of verb. We must add a question tag with the do or does. Okay, and the second the statement is with the second form of verb, that is told. Okay, told, then we must add a question tag with did. The positive statement, if the statement is in a positive form, then we must add a question tag in a negative form. That is, if assertive sentence, if we have a sentence in assertive form, the question tag must be in a negative form. Okay, and if the statement is in negative form, the question tag must be in a positive, that is affirmative or assertive form. Okay, the subject of the question tag is always in a pronoun. Okay, the subject in a question tag must be in a pronoun, that is I, we, you, are, she, they, or it. Okay, and the question tag must be in a negative form, uh, is used to write in a short form, that is not, was not, has not, must be written in isn't, wasn't. That is, if does not, doesn't means doesn't means does not. Does not. Okay, does not means doesn't. Hmm? Didn't means did not. Didn't means did not. Won't means won't. Won't means will not. Okay, so the will not becomes in a short form won't. Okay, so such type of words must used while making or adding a question tag to the statement. Okay, now we will look at further some statement. Okay.